Hello, hi JVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is Digital Radiography, DR. Digital or Introduction. Digital or electronic imaging has been available for more than a decade. The first direct digital imaging system, radiovisiography (RVG), was invented by Dr. Francis Mayence and manufactured by Tropy Radiology, France in 1984. Since the discovery of X-ray in 1895, film has been the primary medium for capturing, displaying and storing radiographic images and historic radiographic image. It is a technology that dental practitioners are the most familiar and comfortable with in terms of technique and interpretation. Digital radiography is the latest advance in dental imaging. It is slowly being adopted by the dental profession. Digital imaging incorporates computer technology in the capture, display, enhancement and storage of direct radiographic image. Film-based imaging consists of X-ray interaction with electrons in the film emulsion. Film-based imaging consists of X-ray interaction with electron in the film emulsion through chemical processing. We transform the latent image into a visible one. Film is a relative inefficient radiation detector and thus required relatively high radiation exposure. Digital imaging is the result of X-ray interaction with electron and electronic sensor pixels. Digital imaging is the result of X-ray interaction with electron and electronic sensor pixels picture element. Conversion of analog data to digital data, computer processing and display of the visible image on a computer screen. Types of digital imaging. There are two main types of digital radiography: direct digital imaging and indirect digital imaging. Direct digital imaging is subdivided into two parts. That digital imaging is subdivided into two parts. First, digital direct imaging, direct digital imaging, and semi-direct image plate system. Direct imaging, digital imaging produce the image immediately the monitor post exposure. Semi direct imaging, it is an intermediate page whereby the image is produced on the monitor following scanning by laser. Indirect digital imaging, a digital image can be produced by scanning conventional radiographic. A flatbed scanner and a transparency adapter, or by using a charge coupled device camera instead of a flatbed scanner. This image can then be manipulated using software package or be passed on to a second party via modem. Types of digital imaging. According to the film, a extraoral, cephalometric, panorama, and tomographic. Two view available born in a facial and lingual view for implant planning. Intraoral, periapical, and bitewing. Advantage: superior grayscale resolution of 256 colors of gray in comparison with 16 to 25 shades of gray on a conventional film. Enhancement options include magnification, contrast, brightness and darkness. Coloring of image area is based on density, sharpness, image orientation, and shadow color alternation. Advantage: 3D reconstruction. This application can be theoretically used to reconstruct intra and extraoral image. The use range from profiling root canal to visualizing facial fracture in all three dimensions. Filtration. The addition of filter to the hair space around the face can clarify the soft tissue profile if the original soft tissue image was poor. Storage. CD-ROM can hold over 30,000 images. This means that image can be stored cheaply and indefinitely. Time. The image is displayed at the immediately post exposure. Environmentally friendly. No processing chemical are used or disposed. Teleradiology. The digital image file can be further sent to many locations. Darkroom is no longer need. And dose reduction. Patient education. Taking a digital radiograph and immediately explaining the finding as the patient view the condition on a laboratory monitor is extremely useful and practically indeed improve of treatment option and plan. Disadvantage: cost, medico-legal, cross-infection control, sensor dimension. Use of the almost dental specialty, detection of tumor, detection of metastatic heart tissue lesions, and for implant analysis. Thank you.